my name is Joy/Fairy Liquid. I'm from the magical land of JingJangJooJong. Welcome. I'm presuming you are here because you want to see the reveal of the little magic trick that we did in this video up here. Okay, so just click on that one up there if you haven't already seen it. And the reason why we do a little bit of magic is, well, we want to add to our repertoire. So we're not just one-trick ponies. We have to make ourselves stand out as entertainers. So if you're a balloonist, you know, having a magic trick or two up your sleeve is not a big time investment or financial investment, but it could get you repeat bookings. And the same goes if you're a face painter or if you are some other entertainer who perhaps hasn't done much magic. I really recommend that you can incorporate just a little bit. That doesn't have to take lots of time. There are plenty of magic tutorials all over the web, of course, but I'm just going to show you how to do this one with the magic bogey light. Now, of course, I called it the bogey light, but you can call it anything you like. You can call it the dancing fairy lights. Are you dressed up as a character? Weave it in with your character. Is there a theme to the child's party? Use your imagination and your creativity. Come up with a theme or a little backstory for your magic trick that fits in with that. So it could be anything. Now I'm just going to help us get into semi-darkness again. So maybe you're just like looking in your balloon bag for something, and you know, whilst you're in there, you secretly put on your thumb tips. Now they look really silly, don't they, when you see them on my hands like this. These are actually children's ones because I have lady hands and they're a lot smaller than the men ones. If you send off for a thumb tip, unless you're a bloke, make sure you get the children's ones. There may be somebody where does lady ones, I don't know, but the children's ones, they fit me all right. And inside you've got a little light, a little LED, and you just press it very slightly and it lights up. So you're going to need two of them. Ooh, like that. But you're only going to show one at a time, and you're going to keep your hands moving the whole time because you're going to be doing a bit of this, and a bit of this, ooh, and a bit of this. Oh. You can throw it, you can catch it, always remember to just do it in, you know, catch it in the other hand. Woo. And you can do whatever you like. So it can be your little dancing fairy, it can be your delicious strawberry flavoured bogey, whatever you want. And then of course, just keep your hands moving the whole time. It's so you get the kids looking at your face. It's all about misdirection. Like when you throw it, woo, you're looking to see where you've thrown it. You're not looking at your hand or anything like that. And the job's a good one. Let me entertain you. Make sure you click down on the link below in the show notes to find out how to join my mail list if you want to be kept up to date and be the best that you can be in whatever it is that you do. Thank you so much for joining me. I really hope that was helpful for you. Please give me a like as well. And don't forget to subscribe.